So let's take a look at how you can install CoBlocks block in WordPress. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically open WordPress dashboard and then go to the plugins, click on add new, and in add new page you will find this search box. Here you can type in CoBlocks so that it can narrow the search. Okay, now here you can see it is acquired by GoDaddy, so you can get the idea. This is the plugin that we need to install. Click on install now, which basically take few seconds. Okay, and after installation it should show you this activate button. Click on that and then it will redirect you to another page. Okay, now here you see CoBlocks is now activated. Okay, now the option for CoBlocks will be available inside your Gutenberg editor. Okay, so we'll take a look at those things in separate video.